Hi everyone, we're back with another skincare routine video, and for this one, we're doing my summer body care routine for 2024. Na malapit na ang summer, or actually summer na nga ata talaga, which means kailangan na natin ng mga mas lightweight na products for our body or our skin in general. And since malakas din talaga yung araw, papangunahan na rin natin ng mga brightening products yung routine na to prevent as much as possible yung dark areas of the body. So kung similar tayo ng mga concerns, baka meron din kayong makitang mga helpful products or helpful tips in this video. So that being said, wala nang any, let's start with my summer routine. Alright, so first, let's start with our body wash. And as you guys know, sa mga previous body care videos ko, I like to use an exfoliating body wash, specifically with the ingredient salicylic acid to prevent any breakouts dito sa chest and sa back area ko. And this one that I'm currently using, medyo nakakaloka to guys because sobrang mura niya. Just so you guys know, it's a 170 pesos na body wash na 2% salicylic acid and malaki siya, 300 plus ml. And this one is from a brand na baka medyo maging familiar sa inyo if you've been watching since 2021. It's from this brand, Extra Care, and it's their acne body wash. Now again, sa mga nanonood since 2021, I'm sure sobrang throwback to para sa inyo because I did mention their face wash before. But for those na medyo baguhan pa lang dito, just so you guys know, kung alam niyo yung Neutrogena na acne body wash na color orange, para tong dupe or parang relabel siya from a similar brand for a cheaper price from the same manufacturer, which is actually very common yung practice na yun sa US. As yung mga friends ninyo na nakatira sa US or nag-work sa US, very common talaga siya sa mga Target, Walmart, gumagawa sila ng parang mga similar brands na magkamukha pa nga talaga yung itsura pero parang off-label yung brand niya. And yung parang pinaka-selling point niya is mas mura talaga siya. And since ayun nga, US brand siya, if I'm not mistaken, hindi mo to makikita sa mga Watsons na stores. Instead, sa online mo lang siya exclusively mabibili like sa Shopee or sa Lazada. But anyway, sobrang nagulat ako na naging available to ulit since 2021 because as you guys know, in the market ngayon, especially sa mga Watsons cleansers, wala pa masyadong 2% salicylic acid na body washes na malaki talaga yung packaging so far. Mostly parang puro mga face wash pa lang. And at 170 pesos and you get this much product, medyo nakakaloka siya guys. So since nagamit ko na to in the shower, papakita ko na lang how this product lathers on my body. Lalagay ko na lang dito sa arms ko. Pero kukuha muna ako ng tubig para ibasa yung arms ko. So nilalagay lang tayo ng konting body wash dito sa braso ko now that basa na siya. And again, this one has 2% salicylic acid, which as you guys know, that helps unclog the pores of excess oil and dead skin cells, which are some of the causes of acne sa body. So I don't just use this on my chest and on my back. Sometimes prone din yung iba sa atin sa butt knee. Now, I don't really get yung butt knee pero very common siya, especially sa mga friends ko. Medyo nahihiya silang ikwento sa iba pero sinasabi nila sa akin because ako yung skincare na friend nila. But it is very common, and if you do want to avoid that or prevent that from happening, you could also put this doon sa buttocks area mo. Parang buttocks area, or in layman's terms, sa puwet. But anyway, as you can see, this does lather like any standard body wash. Hindi siya yung parang sobrang mabula, but it is satisfying enough. Meron din siyang konting scent, pero actually very subtle lang siya. Hindi siya yung parang distracting or masakit sa ulo na scent. It smells a little bit like cinnamon. And then kapag winash off natin to, in my experience, very satisfying pa rin naman yung feeling niya sa skin. Hindi siya yung parang sobrang dulas ng skin mo, pero hindi rin yung parang sobrang dry and banat yung skin mo. So ganito na siya kapag dry na, and ayun nga, hindi siya sobrang madulas, but also hindi rin siya yung parang dry na dry. But of course, since this does have salicylic acid, you also have to be careful na you don't overdo it. Kasi as we know, salicylic acid has that side effect na medyo drying siya sa skin. And actually, because of that, para lang ma-prevent, hindi pa naman nangyari sa akin na sobrang nag-dry or na-irritate yung skin ko from this body wash. But para lang ma-prevent ko na mangyari yun, actually ito, ina-alternate ko to with another body wash. Kumaga ito, ginagamit ko lang siya sa chest, back, and butt area ko. But for all the other parts of my body, gumagamit ako ng iba pang body wash. And yung body wash na yun is a bit more gentle sa skin ko. And actually, ito yung sobrang love ko sa routine ko ngayon. I'm kind of obsessed with it, to be honest. It's one of the newer products from the brand Dove, and it's their Cloud Self-Foaming Body Wash. Na again, sa mga matagal nang nanonood ng mga videos ko, alam nyo naman na ang weakness ko talaga in any cleanser is yung merong foam pump. Kasi talaga, kapag pinump mo na yung product, bumubula na agad siya. As in, satisfying na siya right then and there. And I'll put more on my arm area para lang makita ninyo. So ayan, medyo basa na yung arm ko and as you can see, sobrang mabula talaga siya. And what impresses me so much about this body wash is, yes, sobrang foaming niya, pero gentle pa rin lahat ng cleansing agents na ginamit ni Dove dito. Now, the cleansing agents that they use here are sodium cocoyl glycinate, sodium lauryl glutamate, and cocamida propylbutane, all of which are really good gentle cleansing agents na nakakapag-contribute din sa pagiging foaming ng cleanser na to. Aside from that, this also does have ceramides, which are perfect talaga to put in a body wash because they help bring back the moisture and para hindi parang sobrang nawala lahat ng natural oils mo sa body mo. And that's perfect to repair and maintain yung health ng skin barrier mo. So, satisfying yung foam, gentle yung cleansing agents, also skin repairing, bonus yun. So, check. And also, hindi masakit sa ulo yung fragrance nito. So, ito talaga yung go-to body wash ko on the rest of my body, especially dito sa underarms and sa singit ko. And anyway, let's just wash this off so we can move to the next step of my routine. Alright, and now let's move on to the next step of my routine. After kong gumamit ng mga body wash ko, I now move on to my deodorant or antiperspirant. And dito guys, honestly wala talaga masyadong nagbago because yung gamit ko pa rin ngayon, yung main na ginagamit ko is still the same as yung 2023. Although, meron akong isa pang alternative na masasuggest sa inyo just in case hindi hiyang sa inyo yung ginagamit ko na deodorant. So, baka gusto nyong i-check yun. But as for my main deodorants and antiperspirants na ginagamit ko talaga from day to day, wala pa rin talaga nakakatalo dito guys. It's from the same brand as our body wash pero hindi to sponsored ng Dove, just so you guys know. These are the Radiant Plus Care deodorant serums from Dove. Ito yung traditional nila na roll-on deo and ito yung dry serum nila. And Dove, parang baka naman ilang years ko na kayo pinag-uusapan sa channel ko and never pa tayo nag-partner. Ano ba? Charot. But anyway guys, this one I really like because it's still the only deodorant brand na alam ko na nasa Pilipinas that shows the percentage of their niacinamide. And again, may kita mo siya dito, 3%. And perfect na perfect kasi talaga yun guys, yung 3% niacinamide if you want to prevent any darkening sa underarm area while at the same time maintaining the integrity of your skin barrier sa area na yun. Ang tari ng integrity ng skin barrier, meron palang prinsipyo ang skin barrier ko. Charot! Now, like I've said before, I don't really mind kung anong variant yung gamitin ninyo. Ang habol ko lang naman is the niacinamide kasi may kita kayo, merong 3% niacinamide plus collagen, meron ding 3% niacinamide plus vitamin C. Honestly, kung ano yung available, yun na lang yung kinukuha ko because like I've said before, yung parang additional ingredient nila dito, very small amount lang naman yung nilagay nila. It doesn't really make that much of a difference and yung habol ko lang naman talaga is yung niacinamide. Now again, I only do put deodorant products at night, hindi na sa umaga because like I did mention sa previous video ko, dermatologists do say it's better to put deodorant or antiperspirants sa gabi to allow na ma-absorb siya ng mas mabuti. Sa umaga kasi kapag nilagay niyo siya at that time, sumasabay or humahalo siya sa pawis, especially sobrang init ngayong summer, so hindi siya na-absorb as well. And some of you might ask, kapag nilagay ko ba sa gabi, anong gagawin ko na sa umaga? Hindi ko ba siya pwedeng basain? Or sa umaga, hindi ba ako pwedeng maligo? And the answer to that is, yes, pwede ka pa rin maligo because by then, kapag iniwan mo siya overnight, na-absorb na siya ng mabuti, nasa loob na siya ng sweat glands mo or binablock niya na yung sweat glands mo ng mabuti. So, kahit nahugasan mo pa ng ilang beses, kahit nasabunin mo pa yung underarms mo, mag-work pa rin yung deodorant mo because nga, nag-absorb na siya as you were sleeping nung gabi. But anyway, same lang, in-apply ko na to last night and may araw ngayon so hindi ko na siya ilalagay sa underarms ko. But I will still show you guys the texture of this product. So itong roll-on, very standard lang naman. May kita nyo parang yung same creamy na parang signature na texture ng Dove. So very lightweight and easily absorbs onto the skin. Na ito namang dry serum, maganda rin to because this comes out as a cream. Pero kapag nilagay mo siya sa underarms mo, kaya nga tinawag siyang dry serum, diba? It really does absorb very fast. But anyway, itong dry serum, actually ginagamit ko to after kong mag-workout. Minsan nag-workout kasi ako sa gabi, so medyo mas mabilis siyang mag-dry after mo mag-shower. And actually, itong dry serum, pwede mo rin siyang i-apply sa other areas ng body mo, like for example, sa singit or doon sa folds sa butt area mo. Kung medyo pinapawisan yung area mo na yon, you can put this and it will help it smell better. Now, I also did promise you guys an alternative for this one just in case hindi kayo hiyang dito. Pero kung hindi kayo hiyang dito, sayang talaga. Pero if ayun nga yun yung situation ninyo, I do have an alternative for you guys na very similar product siya. It's from the brand Hello Glow and it's their new rejuvenating quelch na serum deo cream. So very similar to, as in cream lang din siya kapag nilagay mo onto your skin. It's a little bit thick but at the same time, it's still the same. It absorbs very easily onto your skin. And medyo napupusan ko yung amoy nito kasi parang calamansi na smell siya. Wala lang, ewan ko. But all in all, very similar. Also in terms of actives, meron din tong niacinamide and tranexamic acid. So for those who want that double benefit, in fairness, okay na okay din to. Siguro ang call lang na masasabi ko is wala siyang nakalagay na percentage ng niacinamide. But all in all, a really good alternative, and mas nakikita ko na to sa mga Hello Glow stalls in Watsons, in SM department stores. So a really good contender kung for any reason hindi ka hiyang or na-irritate yung skin mo dito sa deodorant dry serum ni Dove. But either way, you will not go wrong with any of these. Really good deodorants and two of my favorites in the market right now. Alright, and now moving on to the next step of our body care routine. Ito, usually ginagawa ko lang to at night, pero up to you. Pwede mo siyang gawin sa gabi, sa umaga, maybe even both kung ano yung mas comfortable sa inyo and mas kinasanayan ninyo, because this is the body lotion step. So kung yung previous step ko walang masyado nagbago, ito naman guys, ang daming nagbago sa step na to in terms of products. So ito na yung new and improved rotation of body lotions ko. So ito silang dalawa, and again, before anything, hindi ko to pinagsasabay, as in depende lang talaga on the day and kung ano yung kailangan ng skin ko. Hindi nyo kailangan bilhin yung dalawang to. You can just choose from one of them depending on kung ano yung mas compatible sa skin mo. So let me explain these two products. So first, unahin natin yung regular na ginagamit ko talaga gabi-gabi, and it's this one from the brand Quick FX. It's their Brighten Up Glass Glow Serum Lotion. Now, di ko alam kung napansin nyo, pero parang biglang nagsilabasan yung mga Watsons brands and other mga drugstore brands ng mga malalaking lotion na mukhang ganito. Parang every brand ata meron silang lotion na parang may gluta, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, all mixed into one product or body lotion. As in, grabe talaga, ang dami nating options ngayon. And actually, marami na rin ako na-try sa kanila. Like for example, yung sa Lux Organics, yung sa Fresh Skin Lab, yung sa Vaseline na Glutahaya. Okay naman sila, but this one really stood out as my favorite out of all of them. So, papakita ko lang sa inyong consistency nito. Maglagay lang tayo ng konti sa braso natin. And as you can see, yung texture nito is a little bit of a gel cream type na lotion. And once you spread this onto your skin, tingnan naman, parang nagiging watery siya agad. Parang may burst of hydration ka talaga na mafe-feel, na I really like it personally kasi sobrang presko ng feeling nito, lalong-lalo na sobrang mainit and summertime ngayon. Watery lotions are really my priority and are really my recommendation to people na, alam mo yun, hindi naman sobrang dry yung skin nila. Kailangan lang nila ng parang konting nourishment, or ayun nga, nakasanayan nilang gumamit ng body lotion talaga, which is honestly a very good habit. Now, ingredients-wise, what I really like about this is meron siyang petrolatum sa ingredients list niya, which is an amazing skincare ingredient, one of the best to maintain moisture on your skin. So, lalo na kung gagamitin mo to right after you shower, as in, promise guys, hydrated, soft, and smooth talaga yung skin mo buong araw kapag nilagay mo to. Now, aside from that, this also does have 4% niacinamide in the ingredients list, and ang tansya ko, educated guess lang maybe 2 to 3% siya in this formulation, which is still a very good amount to get all the benefits of niacinamide, and ayun nga, to prevent any dark areas or dark spots on the body, even sa chest or sa back after nyo magka-breakout. So ito yung pang every night ko, but if gusto nyo ng parang mas gel talaga, as in watery gel, or pag gusto mo ng parang sobrang lightweight na gagamitin mo talaga siya sa umaga and ayaw mo na sobrang bigat, you can also use this one from the brand Fresh. Yung pinakita ko kanina, it's their 3-in-1 niacinamide soothing gel. Now, I'm sure you guys know yung soothing gel lotion nila, which is yung nasa tub and nasa sachet. And dati actually akala ko yun lang yung may 3% niacinamide. Apparently, ito din palang plain soothing gel nila. And yes, ito yung soothing gel na hindi siya yung parang may pagka-creamy. Plain lang talaga siya na clear soothing gel. Now, a common question I get about itong Jeju Aloe Ice na line is, ano ba yung difference nung soothing gel lotion dito sa clear lang na soothing gel na plain in terms of effects. Now, basically, aside from the fact na medyo mas watery to and parang medyo mas hydrating yung feel niya talaga sa skin, this one, hanggang dun lang siya, hanggang hydration lang siya. But at the end of the day, since medyo hydrating lang siya, medyo mabilis din siya mag-evaporate. So, may slight na mabilis yung pagkawala ng hydration nito compared to if you use yung soothing gel lotion, which is all-in-one na siya, may hydration na siya, but it also seals in the hydration for longer lasting moisture sa skin mo. So sa mga medyo torn na hindi alam kung anong pipiliin, kung ito bang soothing gel or yung soothing gel lotion, my basic rule of thumb is kapag sa gabi ka naglalagay ng mga lotions or mga moisturizers, then get the soothing gel lotion kasi all-in-one na yun. Meanwhile, kung sa daytime mo gusto makuha yung parang niacinamide sa body mo and meron ka ng, let's say, body sunscreen, that's your 2-in-1 sunscreen and body lotion na siya, pero gusto mo dagdagan ng niacinamide, then you can add this one to your body routine. And kahit na dalawang layers of product yon, meron kang soothing gel and meron ka ring sunscreen, hindi siya sobrang bigat because ito nga, watery and light lang siya. So yun yung main purpose nito sa routine ko. Kung medyo gusto ko lang i-up yung brightening ko, let's say I want to use niacinamide day and night sa body ko, then I'll add this one before I use my body sunscreen. So again, I'm not required and I honestly don't do it all the time, but it's ultimately up to you. And speaking of body sunscreen, dito na pumapasok yung last step of my body routine, which is, of course, our sunscreen. And kung napanood niyo yung Valentine series ko where I do help people find the skincare products para sa mga jowa nila, you do know na pang ilang beses ko na minimension yung product na to. Grabe talaga, in fairness nakaka-proud ang mga Watsons brands ngayon because meron na agad nakapag-dethrone or nakapagtalo doon sa Vaseline Sun na malaki na gusto ko dati. This one is a much more light na body lotion na pwede rin sa mukha. As in, ganun siya ka-light and ganun siya ka-versatile. #versa. This one is also from a brand na na-mention ko na kanina, but again, hindi talaga sponsored to by them. In fact, never pa kami nag-work together. Nagtatampo na ako. This is from the brand Quick FX and it's their Vita Sunscreen. Ito talaga guys, this is the reigning queen of Watsons sunscreen sa akin because of the value, because pwede siya sa face and sa body, and bihira talaga yon kapag meron ako mga face and body na ginagamit. Usually, medyo makapal pa rin siya sa face. Pero ito, pwede siya sa face. And the fact that this is under 500 pesos for 200 ml, grabe talaga yung value nito. And speaking of products under 500, nandun din to sa Best Skincare from Watsons under 500 ko for late 2023. Kasi talaga outstanding. As in, ang ganda-ganda nito. So if you do want a full in-depth review of this, ililink ko na lang yung video na yun sa I button. But I will still put it on my body. Ay, meron natapon. Okay, hindi naman siya malaking kalat. So mamaya ako nalilinisin. But anyway, I am just going to put this on my body para makita nyo rin siya in action. Maglalagay lang din ako on the other side of my arm and i-spread na natin siya. So this one, again, it starts off as a bit of a traditional lotion. Mukha talaga siyang normal. Makita mo may konting puti pa siya. But it starts to blend very, very well on your skin after a few seconds. As in, meron pa rin siyang nourishing na feeling, but at the same time, hindi siya yung parang sobrang bigat talaga. And that's what I really, really like about this. So I guess yun na yung parang pinaka-con niya. You do have to work it in your skin a little bit. Pero pag nag-blend siya, clear talaga and lightweight. And again, this one is actually for those na tinatamad na mag-lotion and then mag-sunscreen. This could be a good 2-in-1 option already for you. And actually, na-recommend ko na talaga siya to other people as that because sa totoo lang, hindi lang naman to sunscreen but it also does have some moisturizing ingredients. And what I like about this, kapag nag-set to, hindi talaga siya parang sobrang lagkit. And the fact na fragrance and drying alcohol-free to, perfect na perfect talaga even for the most sensitive skin types. In fact, sa sobrang confident ko sa sunscreen na to, na-recommend ko na siya to someone with eczema sa braso niya as a 2-in-1 lotion and sunscreen. And update sa jowa niya, nagustuhan daw niya. So, ililink ko yung video na yon if gusto niyo siyang panoorin. Alright, and yun na mostly yung routine ko guys, but I also just wanted to add an extra step sa routine na to na dinadala ko kasi to sa bag ko when my hands get dry or as a first aid. Kunyari merong masugatan sa skin ko, very, very small scratches or what, after kong hugasan or linisin yung mga scratches or maliliit na sugat na yun with soap and water, this is what I put. And very multi-purpose talaga to. For those who like Lucas Papaw, this is a more affordable version and it's again from the brand Hello Glow and it's their Papaw Balm. So this one is exactly the same thing but you get it for a much cheaper price and you get a little bit better na ingredients. Ito kasi this is petrolatum based. So medyo nagda-dry yung cuticles or yung nail area ko ngayon. So lalagyan natin siya. Now, what I really like about this is, di ba yung Lucas Papaw, parang mga 500 pesos siya. But this one guys, tingnan nyo naman yung price tag niya. 165 pesos. And again, it's more or less the same thing. So, sa mga mahilig talagang magtipid sa mga ganitong products or they want a hand cream na pwede rin nilang gawing lip balm, na pwede rin nilang gawing cream para sa mga any parts na nag-itchy or nagpa-flake sa skin nila, okay na okay talaga to. Ayan. So, naglagay lang ako ng konti sa nails ko. And again, ang dami-dami talaga nitong uses for less than 200 pesos. So, hindi ko siya talaga maiwasan na hindi ilagay sa video na to. So, saktong tipid tips lang for you guys. But just another thing about this product, though nakikita ko na siya more and more sa mga Watsons and SM department stores, na-notice ko na hindi pa rin laging may stock ng product nito. Probably because siguro limited lang talaga yung mga stores na nabibigyan nito. Pero, ang bright side is, mahanap mo pa rin to online sa official store ng Hello Glow and lagi silang may stock doon. And of course, alam ko nang hahanapin nyo to online so naglagay na ako ng mga product links in the description box along with all the other products in this video na nirecommend ko para hindi na kayo mahirapang hanapin sila. And also, if you do need more tips and tricks for the body, especially kung binabrighten nyo yung body ninyo, I do have a video on that here na ilalagay ko along with another video that I think you should watch. So I hope you guys found this body care routine helpful and as usual guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye!